Hi again.
Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to integrate HubSpot with n8n from start to finish in just a few minutes. Let's get right into it. Open your HubSpot dashboard, go to Settings, then Integrations, Private Apps. Click Create Private App, give it a name like n8n Automation App, and enable the scopes you need: CRM, Contacts, Deals, Tickets, and anything your workflow requires. Click Create App.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, so go ahead and hit that button.
And copy your access token right away. Now switch to n8n. Add a manual trigger, then a HubSpot node. Choose an action like Create a Contact. Click Create Credential, paste your access token, save it, then add your contact details: email, first name, and last name. Click Run, and your new contact will appear instantly in HubSpot. You can also fetch data by adding another HubSpot node, selecting Get All Contacts, and running the workflow. And that's your first HubSpot n8n automation ready to go. Use it to build lead generation flows, sync contacts, update CRM data, or power complete marketing automations.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips.